Hello, welcome to AP1. Module 1 is about the introduction to A&P. Don't worry, you can do this. This module will introduce you to A&P. Click through at your own pace. The objectives of this module are to explain the relationship between anatomy and physiology, describe the major characteristics of life, and explain the levels of organization found in the human body. Anatomy is the study of parts, naming the bones or the muscles, for example. Physiology is how they function, for example, how is blood pressure regulated. At MCC, anatomy and physiology is taught together, so you will be learning both of them at the same time throughout the two classes. Some students find this easier because there is a connection of structure and function that might help you remember both better. The anatomy and physiology of the human is only partially understood. Even though humans have been around for thousands of years, we still only have a basic understanding of how it all works. It's rather amazing how all these parts, functioning with little to no direction from us, make us who we are. Prepare to be amazed. So what is life? This has actually been difficult to define, but the following characteristics are found in all life forms, at least to some degree. You should know the definition of each of these. Movement is the self-directed change in position or movement of an organ, but also the distribution of materials within an organism. Responsiveness is the ability to sense changes inside or outside of the body and react to it. Growth and development, get bigger or get more specialized. Reproduce, have offspring, make new individuals, or do mitosis if you're just a cell. Respiration is the ability to obtain oxygen and get rid of carbon dioxide. Digestion is the breakdown of food substances chemically, which then can be used by the body or the cell. Absorption, uptake of these chemicals through a membrane. Circulation is the movement of substances from place to place inside the body. Excretion is getting rid of waste produced by the body. And last, adaptability, the ability to change and adjust to changes inside and outside of the body to help maintain life. The level of organization of life is in almost every textbook, and although knowing the organization is probably not that important, most texts and A&P classes are organized around this same scheme of things. We will be studying from smallest to largest, or most simple to complex. We'll be starting chemistry next, and then the cells, and then we'll do tissues. And it's only after understanding these things that we can begin to describe the organ system. Essentially, chemistry is the language of biology. So these molecules make up organelles, and organelles make up cells. Similar cells packed together are called tissues, and there are 4 types of them. By definition, organs have all 4 types of tissues. Organs then make up organ systems. Like as shown here, the liver, pancreas, stomach, and intestines, etc. are all organs of the digestive system. Your 11 organ systems make up you. Humans have 11, but other simpler organisms may only have a few, like nematodes don't have an endocrine system but do have digestive systems. Here's just another image I found on Google that depicts the level of organization seen in the human body. Cells to tissues to organs to systems to organisms. You should know the parts and functions of each of the 11 body systems. Starting with the integumentary system, this is your skin, includes your hair and nails as well. Its function is to protect you and to regulate body temperature. The skeletal system includes your bones, ligaments, and joints, and its job is also protection, but movement and making blood cells as well. The muscular system includes the muscles. Its job is movement and contraction, and also to generate body heat. The nervous system includes your brain, spinal cord, and nerves, as well as your sensory receptors. It is the control system for the human body. The circulatory system includes the heart and blood vessels and blood, and its job is to move nutrients and waste around the body to where they need to go. The endocrine system includes your hormones and glands. Its job is to maintain homeostasis. The lymphatic system includes your spleen, lymph nodes, and lymph vessels. Its job is to regulate body fluid, or transport fluid, and fight infection. The digestive system includes your stomach, esophagus, liver, colon, intestines, gallbladder, etc. Its function is to break down and absorb food. The respiratory system includes your trachea, nose, lungs, etc. It exchanges oxygen and carbon dioxide with the atmosphere. The urinary system includes your kidneys, ureter, bladder, and urethra, and its function is to maintain water and electrolyte balance. Finally, the reproductive system, the only system you can live without, includes your ovaries and testes, as well as secondary organs such as the uterus, cervix, prostate, scrotum, etc. Its job is to create gametes for new offspring. The resources for this module are listed here, your atlas, your online text. You can also always Google information, lesson 1 from your Canvas site, and your instructor. Hopefully at the end of this module you can describe the organization of life, define the characteristics of life, and name the organ systems and describe them.